It's all so easy to turn around. So what you need to know at this point is that there is a way to live that will reverse the deterioration and regenerate the fabric of your body. And all that needs to happen is to remove the accumulated waste and then enjoy the regeneration process that follows. I call it a tale of two options. Option one, keep decaying, keep rotting, keep disintegrating, keep doing what culture tells you is right and normal and healthy, keep disintegrating. Or option two, experience the great epiphany of how impurities take hold of the body by normal living, which is dying, and turn the whole scenario around, removing the toxicity and achieving your true potential. What are you guys going to choose? Can I guess? I think I know. All right, so we have to appreciate that we, of course, are a complex being with an emotional field, with a mental field, with an energetic field, with a spiritual field. There are so many things. It's unfortunate that with our reductionist culture, we tend to break everything down into parts. But the same thing, the same concept, as above, so below, happened in our mental and emotional fields as well. So once we gain pure power in the physical field, we'll see that the same approach will restore our mental and emotional fields as well. A healthy heart and a healthy headspace are the results of expunging the mental and energetic waste and toxicity from those areas too. So the same approach applies. There's the same cause, the cut threads, tangled threads, all those things we mentioned, the incoherence, the shock, and the obstruction. That's what's put us in states of mental and emotional unwellness. And we can turn that around simply by restoring those threads, making what was tangled, untangled, restoring order, and bringing everything to purity, going back to the quintessential law that we addressed earlier. So just like the body when it's toxic, the heart and mind miss out on the higher forces, but they can also be regenerated, and all the functional emotions and mental clarity can come flooding back again. So if you're thinking that that's great that you can restore your body, but what about restoring your mental and emotional fields? We do it the same way, same approach. It's wonderful. It's just, it's a very simple, clean, effective way of bringing the body, the whole being, back into its highest potential. Because we can't reach our highest potential if we're just achieving a level of excellence in one of these areas. We have to achieve it in all of the areas, and they're all interdependent, of course. All right, so in summary, the simple fact is that accumulated toxic waste matter, which is ultimately decaying rot, this rotting decay comes as a result of conditions that we can reverse and prevent. The rotting decay is what is causing all your terrible symptoms, disease, weight problems, and your cosmetic challenges. Living naturally in the life cycle does not result in any version or expression of the illness and discomfort we see today. The future will be the domain of the wise who know this and adjust their way of life accordingly. Create purity, restore connection with great integrity, and bada bing, bada bang, you'll get power. And that power, with all its infinite intelligence, with its know-how, will go in and restore everything that has previously been interrupted. So because I know how important this is, and it is my life's mission to help people do this and achieve this, I wanted to create a platform whereby people could have the support. Everyone who wants it could have the support they need, the knowledge, the encouragement, the consistent care, the community, regular exercises to do to keep you on the path, and check-in points. I wanted to create a world where you could go and ensure that this transformation can happen within you because you had all the support you need. So we've created a year-round platform called Pure Power. And this will enable you to have the steady stream of guidance, support, motivation, encouragement, and knowledge. This is the place you can go to reliably have the best information, the specificity, the specific information you need to do this, because there are a lot of different schools of thought around things, and they can get scattered and confusing. This will take all of the knowledge around this work and keep it in a container so that you can really achieve it without distractions, without confusing information and other things. So it's one place for you to feel like you really are with other people who are on the same page with you, who understand, who can motivate you and inspire you. And of course, I am fully focused on this group and this platform because this is where I'm going to put all of my time, energy, and focus rather than scattering it. So this is where you can find me and the knowledge and the support. Pure Power Platform will support the restoration of your body, your mind, and your heart in every way. We are not stopping with the body. We are doing this with the mind and the heart. We're talking about full restoration here. It's been created to ensure you reverse the cause of your deterioration and bring about the regeneration you should experience. So what I've learned over time is that people need these basic 4 things: consistency and repetition, fresh ideas, fresh experiences, and loving support, understanding, care, and direction of a community. These are the 4 things that we're going to make sure that are constantly in flow with the Pure Power Platform. Every month, you're going to know that you're going to be able to check in and recalibrate. This is all going to ensure that you have the consistency and repetition. You have fresh ideas coming through, fresh clarification on the knowledge, new approaches to it. You're going to have fresh experiences because you're going to be engaging in all of this and sharing and listening to other people and bringing your own questions and your own experiences to the group. And you can do that as anonymously as you want to, or as much as you want to be putting yourself out there, sharing personally. So it's all going to be there for us to ensure that we fully reach our potential and we get that fabric of our body, our mind, our hearts, so that together and in perfect integrity, so we can see our true potential, so we can watch our soul expand and watch our spirits soar and feel our spirits soar. And just wanted to say thank you so much for being here today, every single day. I think how fortunate I am to have this knowledge, and I get to live this life. I get to live and go through all of the difficulties and everything that happens in the course of a life with this undergirding me and bringing me such a consistent state of excellent physical, mental, and emotional health. So I give gratitude to the work and you and the team. So thank you all so much for your time and for your trust and confidence in me. It's not lost on me, and I hope this has been beneficial.